In this video, we are going to learn how to install CCTV camera and which device is required to install CCTV camera. So let's start video. First, we have two type of CCTV camera. First is bullet type CCTV camera. You can see here. This bullet type CCTV camera in general normally installed for outdoor unit. And second one is dome camera. This dome camera in general normally used to install for indoor unit. So dome camera installed in indoor unit and bullet camera is installed for outdoor unit. Okay, we have two type of CCTV camera and also we have one BNC DC connector. You can see here. First understand what it did mean BNC DC connector. So as we know, for CCTV camera we need to provide supply 24 volt supply. Okay, so for 24 volt DC supply we connect a red connector. Okay, so red connector for DC power supply, and also you can see here we have one yellow connector. Okay, so yellow connector is for camera output connection. Okay, which will connect in DVR. You can see here we have one DVR. In this DVR we have 8 port. That means by this DVR we can run 8 different CCTV camera. Okay, you can see here we have 8 different connector for BNC connector. Okay, so BNC connector of camera output will connect in this port. You can see here also we have VGA connector. This VGA connector will connect with monitor. Okay, so CCTV camera data store in this DVR, and you can see CCTV camera output in this monitor. You can see here we have one VGA connector. You can see here VGA connector cable which connect monitor to DVR. Okay, so all CCTV camera data stored in this DVR, because in DVR we have one hard disk. Okay, so all data will store in hard disk. We also connect one SMPS power supply for 24 volt DC supply, because in CCTV camera we need to provide supply 24 volt DC supply. Okay, so this SMPS will convert to 20 volt AC supply to 24 volt DC supply. Okay, and also we connect one adapter. Okay, this adapter is for 12 volt DC supply. You can see here we need to provide 12 volt DC supply in this adapter. So we connect one adapter of 12 volt DC supply for DVR. Okay, and also if you want to see your CCTV camera output in your mobile, so you need to connect one router. Okay, for seeing CCTV camera output in mobile, so we connect one router, and for router input power supply we need to connect one adapter of 12 volt DC supply. Okay, so for router power supply we connect adapter of 12 volt DC supply. So we connected two adapter, one for DVR input power supply and second one for router input power supply. Okay, for monitor power supply we connect 3-pin plug. Okay, and for SMPS power supply we also connect a 3-pin plug, because SMPS will convert to 20 volt input supply to 24 volt DC supply, and also we connect one mouse. Okay, now DVR to monitor connector, first we will connect a VGA connector. You can see here one VGA connector connect in this monitor, and second one will connect with this DVR. You can see here in this DVR we have one VGA connector. Okay, and also for input power supply we connected to switchboard. Okay, in which we have 220 volt input power supply. Okay, now first learn connection of BNC DC connector. Okay, so in BNC DC connector cable, first we need to connect one BNC DC connector. Okay, so first we will connect BNC DC connector in this cable and connect camera output in this yellow connector. Okay, so camera output positive connect in BNC connector, and also negative connect in BNC connector. Okay, so positive and negative will connect in this BNC connector, and 24 volt DC supply. Okay, in this cable we have also 24 volt DC cable, in which we have positive and negative for camera input power supply. Okay, so you can see here first we will connect a positive wire in DC connector and also negative in DC connector. Okay, so in DC connector we connect a DC power supply, and in yellow connector we connect camera output. This camera output will connect in DVR connector. You can see here, we can see camera output in this DVR. So BNC connector output connect in this DVR. Okay, same connection for dome camera. Camera output will connect here positive and negative in this cable. Okay, and 24 volt DC power supply positive and negative connect in DC connector. Okay, you can see here BNC DC connector is connection is now done. Camera output will connect in second connector. Okay, you can connect any of the connector. Okay, now how to provide 24 volt DC supply, let's learn. First connect 220 volt supply in this SMPS. So in 3-pin plug we will connect this plug in switchboard. Okay, so input power supply connects line and neutral in this SMPS. Okay, so input power supply connect in this SMPS. Now SMPS output will be 24 volt DC supply. Okay, so this 24 volt DC supply will connect in both camera. You can see here, it will connect in both camera positive and negative. Okay, so you can see here in this cable we connect one connector. This connector will connect the positive wire in V plus and negative in V minus. Okay, so 24 volt DC supply connects in this bullet camera. Same for dome camera. In this cable we will connect a positive and negative in dome camera cable and connect positive wire in V plus terminal. Okay, so positive wire will connect in V plus terminal and negative wire will connect in SMPS negative terminal. Okay, so both camera input power supply connect with this SMPS. Okay, so both camera input power supply is now done. Also BNC connector connect in DVR output. Okay, now for adapter to DVR we connect VGA cable. Okay, you can see here monitor to DVR connection is now done with this VGA cable. This VGA cable will connect in this VGA connector. Okay, so adapter and monitor connection is now done. It's very simple. Now in this DVR we need to provide 12 volt DC supply for input power supply. Okay, so we connect one adapter. This adapter connects in this input terminal. Okay, in this terminal we need to provide 12 volt DC supply. Okay, so this adapter will convert to 20 volt supply to 12 volt DC supply. So 12 volt DC supply will connect in this adapter. Monitor connection is very simple. Monitor cable connects in this switchboard. Also in router. Okay, in router we connect input power supply. You can see here also in router 12 volt DC supply is required. So we connect this adapter output in router 12 volt DC terminal. Okay, router connect with 12 volt DC supply. Okay, now in this router to DVR connection we connect one LAN cable. Okay, you can see here we connect one LAN cable. This LAN cable will transfer data from DVR to router. Okay, so we connect one LAN cable. Okay, for transferring data from DVR to router. Okay, now it's all CCTV camera connection is now done. You can see here. Also if you want to connect a mouse, so you can connect this mouse in USB port. You can see here we connect this mouse in USB port. And also if you want to see your camera audio, okay, if you want to see your camera audio, so first you need to connect audio cable which is yellow color cable. So yellow cable will connect first and connect your audio connector in this red connector. And if you want to hear your voice, okay, if you want to hear your voice, so you connect your mic in this yellow connector. Okay, now our CCTV camera complete installation now done. I hope you clear the concept. Okay, if you want to see this practical video, so link provided in description. If you have any query, please ask in comments box. For today's enough. We'll meet next video. Thanks for watching.